Most people think a home looks dated because of the kitchen or the bathroom, but that's usually not what hits you first. It's the small stuff. Things like brass doorknobs, yellow outlet covers, old blinds, and older light fixtures are a few examples of small things that are inexpensive, but together they make the house feel much older. Before you think about a kitchen renovation, look at these 5 cheap changes first. They can make a dated home feel current again quickly and for little money. I'm Justin Braithwaite, a real estate broker, and these are the 5 updates we do to refresh and make homes look new again. Number 1. Dated hardware. A shiny brass doorknob may not seem like a big deal. Same thing with old cabinet pulls, gold bathroom faucets, builder-grade ceiling lights, or the little arched handles on kitchen cabinets. Individually, each item is small. Together, they make a big difference. The fix is simple. Pick one finish and use it consistently. Matte black, brushed nickel, or a softer brass can all work. I wouldn't overthink the exact finish. The bigger issue is consistency. What looks bad is when every room has a different finish. Prioritize the entry, the kitchen, the powder room, the main bathroom, and the main living areas. You'll be surprised what a difference this makes. Chapter 2. Outlets and Switchplates. A lot of homes still have ivory outlets and covers. Once you repaint the walls, those same outlets start to stand out looking old and yellow. Same thing happens with old thermostats. The beige thermostat in the hallway may have disappeared into the wall for years, but once the rest of the space is cleaned up, it becomes one of the first things you notice. This is a really cheap fix. Replace the switch plates and the outlet covers. Keep them all the same color. Clean, simple, and consistent is what you want. And if you have an old thermostat, switch it to a basic clean digital one. This is one of those updates no one will walk in and specifically compliment. No one's going to say, wow, great outlet covers you have. But they'll feel like the house is cleaner and better maintained, and that matters. Chapter 3. Window treatments. Old window treatments are one of the fastest ways to make a room feel dated. Vertical blinds that are bent, missing pieces, or yellow, heavy fabric valances, dusty curtains. These things make a room feel older immediately, and they show up badly in photos. A lot of times, the best fix is just to remove them. An empty window is usually better than bad blinds. The room feels brighter, cleaner, and less cluttered immediately. Or just keep the replacement simple. White roller shades, simple blinds, or curtains hung properly. Before spending money on staging, furniture, or major updates, look at the windows. Sometimes the room doesn't need more decorating, it just needs more light. Number 4. Trim. A lot of homes built from the 70s through the early 2000s feel plain because they're missing architectural detail. Short baseboards, thin door casing, no crown molding, big flat walls. Nothing in the dining room, entry, or living areas to give the space structure. Trim changes that. Taller baseboards can make a room feel more substantial. Simple crown molding can make a living area feel more complete. You don't need to turn the house into a historic mansion. The key is simple trim that fits the house. Start where it matters most: the entry, living room, dining room, main hallway, and primary bedroom. Chapter 5. Painting brick. You see this a lot online, painting red brick fireplaces white. The room looks brighter, cleaner, and more modern. But here's the issue. Brick is porous. Once paint gets into the surface, removing it is difficult, expensive, and often imperfect. So before you paint brick, make sure you really want painted brick. Before painting, try cleaning it. A lot of old brick fireplaces aren't ugly, they're just dirty. Change the mantle. Sometimes the mantle is what's making it look dated, not the brick itself. Or consider lime wash if you want to soften the brick without completely covering it. Just remember that painting brick is a more permanent change, so make that decision carefully. Here's the main point. A dated home usually doesn't feel dated because of one huge thing. It feels dated because of a lot of smaller things working together. So before you start with a $50,000 renovation, address the obvious stuff first. Pick one and see how much it changes the room. If you're buying or selling anywhere in the country and you're not sure where to start, reach out to me. I can help connect you with a strong local agent who knows your market, communicates well, and will give you honest guidance. There's a link in the description. I'm Justin Braithwaite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.